8-6 in set number 2. UST with a 2-point lead, and also they have 1-0 against UP. But UP, not a team today you can mess around with, because they have been excellent defensively and offensively as well. Chamzon has had her share of points. Princess Se has had her share of points. Ong, Chu have scored for UST, and it's been a close one so far as De Leon serves. UST now up by 3.
Oh, look at that block from Ortiz.
That play clearly read from about 2 minutes ago. Basang-basa agad yun.
Even the timing.
Four-point lead, UST. Ortiz. Great save. Del Mundo tips it over. Underhand set para kay Caballejo. Ortiz didn't know what to do with it. Wrong timing as Caballejo overshoots the mark. That is a point for UP.
I think Ortiz at that time was trying to reach for the ball, pero na-realize niya lumagpas na sa ulo niya.
Tapos pababa na siya.
Pababa na siya.
So just keep it alive with the first touch. Yun ang ginawa niya. Ito na naman, Princess Se. Let's remember, in the first set, Princess Se serve. Doon humabol ang UP. Let's see if they can come up with a rally here.
Oh, well, Caballejo immediately makes up for that mistake. Something that you do want to see in your senior players, after they commit an error. Ang gusto mo ay makita silang bumawin. Caballejo right there, scoring that point.
Too late by Persona to come down on that shot by Caballejo para bigyan ng angle para bumalik. An ace from Lantin. (12 serving 7).
Service error.
Service error on Lantin's part. Free point para sa UP.
Ana Del Mundo serving.
Team captain Ana Maria Del Mundo serving. Tunay. Block was there, pero the support behind the block is equally as important as the block, and wala that time para sa UP. Puntos na naman for UST.
Good reception there for UP.
Nice play.
Point scored by Hannah Maulatan.
Take a look at that again. Bersola going for the quick. You have their Mangulabnan taking on that spike, or that attack rather.
Ortiz. Bumawi agad ang UST with a quick by Ortiz.
Here you can see UST really working hard to make sure na hindi na mangyari yung first set na nakahabol ang UP. But UP just really finding ways.
They are. That's the amazing part about this match so far, is UP now able to find it within themselves to put a stop on, a play. Unlike last season, when they'd always be blown, almost always be blown out. In fact, they didn't win a single match last season.
And that's why actually their very first win this season is really something that, these girls won't forget. Because they just ended that 16-game losing streak.
Dating back to season 73. Doon pa nagsimula yung losing streak na yon. And you can tell that the demeanor has changed para sa UP, They now have
boost
a little
of
bit
confidence.
May belief na sila sa abilities sila on the volleyball court. Good reception. Despite that strong serve by Tunay. Free ball para sa UP. Let's see what they do here. Se. Is that off the block? Wala. 16-10 UST. Kit Kat break. Get ready for what's next. Have a break. Have a Kit Kat.